Hello student, in this video I am going to start the explanation of water of crystallization. Okay, as we know the formula of copper sulfate pentahydrate is CuSO4, okay, dot 5H2O. Okay, when we provide heat to this copper sulfate pentahydrate, it decomposes into copper sulfate and water vapor. Okay, so basically students, water of crystallization is a fixed number of water molecules, okay, is a fixed number of water molecule that are in loose combination. Why loose combination? Because by applying heat it will be evaporated, okay. Loose combination with one molecule of a salt is called water of crystallization, okay. So the fixed number of water molecules that are in loose combination with one molecule of a salt is called water of crystallization. The salt which contains water molecule is called hydrated salt. Okay? So in this reaction, this copper sulfate pentahydrate is a blue crystalline solid, and when we provide heat to this blue crystalline solid, it changes into white powdery mass, okay, white powdery mass, and also it liberates out some amount of water vapor, okay. So in your book, in a particular table, few more hydrated salts are there, like copper sulfate, iron sulfate, sodium carbonate, magnesium sulfate and zinc sulfate. You should know all their names, their chemical formula, and also their specific color, okay. Now next one is hydrated and anhydrous substances, okay. The experiment which is given after the water of crystallization we have discussed in the chemistry practical class. So now I am moving to the next topic, that is hydrated and anhydrous substances. So student, the substance, okay, the substance which contains certain fixed number of water molecules attached loosely to their one molecule are called hydrated substance. So basically here this copper sulfate pentahydrate is a hydrated substance, whereas the residue left when a hydrated substance loses its water of crystallization is called anhydrous substance. So here this copper sulfate is a anhydrous substance. All right. Now student, next is deliquescent substances, okay. The salts which changes into solution from due to the absorption of water from air are called deliquescent substances. Means these substances, means deliquescent substances are those salts which absorb the moisture from the atmosphere and change their state of matter, okay. They will change their state of matter. If they are present in the solid form, they will change into liquid by absorbing the moisture from the atmosphere. Example हो जाएगा, usually हमें पता है about this, like table salt, okay. So table salt is also a deliquescent substance. Calcium chloride means CaCl2, magnesium chloride, mercury nitrate, zinc chloride, these all are the deliquescent substance, okay. Now next one is hygroscopic substances, okay. Hygroscopic substance, again they absorb moisture from the air but they do not change their state of matter, okay. Means if they are in a solid form, they should remain in the solid form, but they will absorb some moisture, okay, and they lose their dryness. All right. So the example of this are quicklime, sulfuric acid, okay, and phosphorus pentaoxide, okay. So hygroscopic substances, just like deliquescent substances, they will absorb the moisture from the atmosphere but they do not change their state of matter, okay. Now next one is efflorescent substances, okay. Efflorescent substance in form of crystal loses its water of crystallization, forming a powdery deposit on crystal. For example, copper sulfate pentahydrate, okay. Copper sulfate pentahydrate, it is a blue crystalline solid. When we provide heat to this compound, it loses its water of crystallization, it loses its water of crystallization, and what is left behind, that is a powdery mass of copper sulfate. Okay, so such substances which are present in crystalline form, and after applying the temperature they loses their crystalline structure and converted themselves into the powdery mass. Such substances are known as efflorescent substance. Okay, example, copper sulfate pentahydrate, which is also known as blue vitriol. Okay, I hope everything is very clear up to here. Okay.